Gurgaon today is very dynamic and constantly changing, but not always in the ways that benefits the end user. Prices in Gurgaon are rising daily, but the real price value one gets is becoming harder to find, especially in the 1.5 to 2 CR price range. The kind of product that used to be available even 5 or 6 years ago is now extremely rare. आज अगर किसी को 1400 से लेकर 900 स्क्वायर फीट का घर चाहिए फ्रॉम अ टॉप कैटेगरी ए लिस्ट डेवलपर विद प्रॉपर प्लानिंग, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड लाइफस्टाइल, द ऑप्शंस इन गुड़गांव आर वेरी लिमिटेड. Luxury and reliability in this segment of Gurgaon has been missing for quite a while. Well, this is the exact gap that Gurgaon International City, GIC, fills. What GIC offers is more than a premium residential project. It's something close to the luxury segment in aspects of planning and lifestyle, but at a ticket size that is very accessible to a large audience. This combination of luxury and accessibility बनाता है GIC को एक revolutionary product. Let's get into what kind of a project GIC actually is. ये एक और small group housing project नहीं है. It is a large integrated development planned at a full scale of over 150 acres. This scale, the thinking process in this project changes completely. Instead of focusing on just apartments, it focuses on creating an ecosystem where homes, open spaces, lifestyle and infrastructure all support each other over the long term. जब 20 साल पहले डेवलपमेंट इन गुड़गांव स्टार्टेड, वो एक बहुत फ्रैगमेंटेड वे में हुआ था, which is why we see so many infrastructure problems. आपके offices, open spaces, homes and amenities are all far from each other, adding long travel times. GIC takes a different approach to fixing this problem. यहाँ पे शुरू है, the development is planned as a connected ecosystem. So everything in one place, cutting down your travel time. So now let's talk about price and ticket size. इस प्रोजेक्ट का सबसे lucrative feature, with a ticket size of just 1.75 CR, this is a very important zone in Gurgaon residential market. It is an entry-level house that does not compromise on quality. This is the price bracket where the maximum number of serious end users exist, जो हैं working professionals, young families and people looking to move into a better lifestyle. Not only that, this ticket size becomes even more important when we think of liquidity. Homes in this price range are much easier to buy, sell and upgrade them. जो भी कोई मार्केट को इस प्राइस पे एंटर करता है, उसका कभी भी सेलिंग की प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. That means this creates flexibility and safety for the first time buyers and becomes a very safe investment. अब करते हैं लोकेशन की बात. Many people assume that the farther you live from the central Gurgaon, the more you have to travel. But in reality, anyone who drives in Gurgaon knows that traveling from one end of the city to another, जैसे कि Golf Course Extension Road से आप उद्योग विहार, it takes a significant amount of time. In fact, those living in central Gurgaon have the longest travel times because of congestion. GIC में ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी because it is at the crossroads of 3 highways, द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे, KMP and NH8, making travel times faster. इसके ऊपर there is a proposed metro lane also that connects Golf Course Extension Road to GIC. इसलिए GIC becomes practical for daily commuters while still being away from the congestion. Today, connectivity is not just about reaching one office location. It is about being well connected to multiple corridors. अगर कोई एक रास्ते पे ज़्यादा कंजेशन हो जाए या कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, आपके पास भी 2 और हाईवेज हैं easy access के लिए. This is why I say GIC is future proof. The next important aspect of this project is looking at the job ecosystem around it. Well, there is a massive employment base directly around and opposite this area. With a large amount of industrial setups, Jaguar, Tata and other manufacturing units and corporate offices are already operational in this corridor. The number of people who work here runs into lakhs. And ये कोई future promise नहीं है. ये आज की operational jobs हैं. Because of these jobs, there is already massive demand for quality residentials in this belt. Now, with GIC supply bhi hai, this demand comes from employment rather than just speculation, creating a much stronger and stable capital appreciation. Now, let's talk about lifestyle, because this is what makes GIC truly one of its kind. Even in ultra-luxury residential projects, greenery is not still quite up to the mark. GIC is a completely different picture. The project is well planned around a nature-integrated style of living with forest-themed landscaping, multiple water bodies, wellness and sports facilities. In GIC, these facilities are not extras, but they are the core of the design. Well, this is very important for cities like Gurgaon, where noise, air pollution, traffic are constant discussion points. This kind of planning in a project makes a real difference to the quality of life by creating better AQI, lower noise levels, easier circulation and cooler weather. This project is huge, around 140 to 150 acres. This project has the ability to allocate space properly, facilities, open areas and community zones and other future needs. This is why this is different from other projects. There is no compromise on space scale and long-term livability. The natural surroundings further strengthen the long-term aspect of the project. It's close to the Aravalli Range, is home to bird habitats and has large green zones that add to the environment quality of the area. In a city that has grown aggressively over the last 2 decades, land with this kind of sustainability is going to stay very, very rare. Which means long-term appreciation, which means future-oriented planning. For a buyer, the financial flexibility is also very important in this price range. So GIC understands this, and along with its standard construction link payment plan, it also has other payment options that makes it easier to invest. For example, you pay 15% today, subject to your loan power, and you don't pay any EMI. The second is you pay every 18 months 25%. And the third is, of course, the construction link payment plan. So GIC is no longer just raw land waiting for development. It is a part of a city scale zone that is already functional and is gradually becoming more and more established. So to put it simply, GIC offers the luxury and opportunity of Gurgaon without forcing you to live inside the chaos and the noise. We already believe and you know that GIC is right for you. So contact us or WhatsApp on asset deals and we'll walk you through Gurgaon International City.